Sunshiners, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ansel Ray, and let's get into this hair tutorial. So today we are installing the Outre Julianne unit 24 inches. It's a synthetic wig, lace front, and this is so nice. This is one of my I got so many favorites. This is one of my favorite units by Outre. Look at all those curls. Look at the body on it. So today I am with this unit. This time I'm using the spray, the lace front spray. I'm not using the glue. This is what I used to use when I first started getting into installing lace fronts on myself, and I ventured off to using the glue. But today we are using the spray. The spray is by Kiss by Red. And yes, look at that lace. The lace is so beautiful. So I'm spraying it in sections, and I've already, as you see, I pre-cut the lace. I did cut the lace into 3 sections because it's just easier to lay that lace down. And yes, I am going over it with a blow dry to help melt. This is part of the melting process. So here is the next section, section number 2. So sorry guys, let me correct myself. It's Red by Kiss. That is the name brand, Red by Kiss. And the reason why I'm using a blow dryer after I use the lace spray is because you want it to dry some and have it so it can have that tacky texture. And this second part, I am placing it over the spray. And when you put your lace front, when you're putting the lace down, you want to put the hairline on top of the wig cap line, like where you see the wig cap line. You want to put the hairline actually not on top. I'll say in front of the wig cap. So that way, you don't see the wig cap through the lace, and it's just better that way. So I do that for each section. And I'm repeating, what I did in sections 1 and 2. Spray, blow dry, and place the lace in front of the wig cap. In that specific order. You can see right here what I meant when I was saying you have to put the lace in front of the wig cap. Alright, so now it's time for that good old elastic band. This is part of the melting process to get that lace to melt, give it that nice fine melt, to give it that natural look, so it can look like it's growing out of your scalp. So I'm just using my wide tooth comb to comb the curls out. It doesn't get rid of the curls, it just makes it fuller and also gives it a more natural look. That's just my preference. If you happen to buy this wig, this unit, you don't have to comb it, but I just prefer to do it that way. Just look at how gorgeous those curls are and how you can just pretty much do a side part, you can do a middle part. You could put it in a half up, half down ponytail if you wanted to, but that is so pretty. Alright, so it's time to take the elastic band off. So now it's time to cut the lace with this eyebrow razor. It's easier to use this because it gives it that rugged, jagged edge, which also contributes to the hairline looking more natural. With my Red by Kiss Lace Tint Foundation to blend it in. All right, so this is the final look. This came out so pretty. I really like it. Like I said before, this is one of my favorite units by Outre Julianne, 24 inches. Thank you so much, Sunshiners, for tuning in. And if you're new here and if you like my content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Don't forget to click on the bell for post notifications for when I upload and when I post on my community posts. I just want to thank you for always supporting me. I love you guys, and I will see you later. And remember to keep on shining.